Everybody stay together. Let's take a picture. Mickey, Maya, Mariah. This way. We've just been through security. Boyemi's looking for her phone now. Sorry? You can't find it. I definitely gave it to you and you took it from me.
Moments with you guys. Basically what's happening is that we are going on holiday. The children know we're going on holiday, but they don't know the dates. Mickey has been trying to guess. Like me and Ayo have been speaking in Yoruba very badly because Afekomo in Kotan so then she will now say, I'm calling Nona to find out what does that mean. So basically we are the day before. She's guessed quite a few times actually, but I don't know if she's actually if she's confident with her guessing. Hi, Mickey.
Hi.
So Mickey is just about to get her hair done. Maya's doing her hair now. So Mickey's theory is that because she's getting her hair done today, go on, say what you're saying.
So basically, I'm going on holiday.
How do you know you're going on holiday?
Because everybody, you told me, Daddy told me.
We never. Okay, yeah, we know we're going on holiday. Yes.
So I've been doing this trick. So first I played it on Grandma and it actually worked, but I got busted after.
What's the trick?
So basically the trick is I say my mum told me what they were going on holiday, but I forgot. So at first I told Grandma, but I always do when my mum's not here. She'll find a way to end it. So I did it to Grandma, but I think Mummy overheard me because she told that to Daddy, and then that was the end of that. So now that I'm Auntie Ayo's house, I actually did it on Auntie Ayo.
What did you say to Auntie Ayo?
I said, oh, my mum told me that we're going on holiday, but I forgot nothing. She told me to do that. I was like, I was like, I thought we were going in the morning, and she's like, no, I think your mum told me we were going now. That's why you need to do it right. So then, this is where I am now. Thinking we're going on holiday today. But that could actually be kind of true because why do we need to get our hair done today?
So you think we're going on holiday tonight? Okay, is that your final answer? Yeah. Anyway, we'll see.
So Mariah's first time flying and she's just on 100 right now. So
Mama.
I feel like she's not well rested.
Mama.
I feel like, Momo, what's the matter?
Why are you doing this to us?
Don't do this, please.
I beg. Anyway, I'm not sitting with you. Your dad's sitting with you.
I think the issue is that we left too many things last minute.
No, we actually didn't, baby.
No, we left stuff.
Baby, I've been packing for like the past 3 weeks.
I want to make sure that we capture these moments. I want to actually record these moments for us as well as for you guys. All right. So tired. I've got bags underneath my eyes, as you can see. Okay, we've been putting in the work, but I look good. I look
Baby,
good.
sorry,
I'm loving this filter.
Are you gonna go to sleep?
I don't think so, but I think I want to get like a power nap of like 1 hour.
Because the journey is about 40 minutes, which is not bad.
40 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, to Gatwick, yeah.
Yeah.
So for me, obviously, I'm gonna hopefully sleep on the plane, sleep on the flight. All right. But at least let me take a 1 hour, 2 hour power nap, and I suggest you do the same.
Wait, can we decide
so that we're
now?
not cranky?
Can we decide now?
Let's decide that no quarreling on this
No,
trip.
it's not even that. Who's carrying Mariah for this journey? That person is responsible.
You're carrying Mariah now.
Baby, I know.
See all this. Good morning. Good morning, guys. We're going to the airport. Come on, let's get ready. Let's go get ready, Mama. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. Mama. Maya, come on, baby girl. We're going to the airport now. Yeah. Let's go, Maya.
Yeah.
You excited? We need to go and find Daddy because Daddy's trying to run away from us. Maybe he doesn't want to go on the holiday with us.
Yeah, let's leave him. Daddy said he's the man of the house. So, Mummy, if we go on a holiday again, Daddy could cancel it.
Yeah. Come on, let's go in. Is this going up? Is this going up? Okay, let's go up. Come on, girlies. So we're just gonna meet up with Ayo. So he went to park the car in the furthest place you could ever imagine, but I said I'm not gonna argue. I'm gonna not bring stress. So yeah, hopefully we see him in departures. If not, I'm a jadano. Like, we'll just go and have holiday, me and my girls. Yeah.
Okay, so we're on the queue now. Hopefully we're not going to repeat what happened. How many years ago was that? What happened, Vicky?
First, if you haven't watched that video, you must go watch it after you watch this video. It was quite over trouble. So, yeah.
Hey, you have my phone.
No, I gave it to you now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I gave it to you. I gave it to you.
Let me check this bag.
We've just been through security. Koyemi's looking for her phone now. Sorry? You can't find it. I definitely gave it to you and you took it from me. Alright guys, let us pause here for a minute. Just take a look at my face. That's my I am not happy right now face. Simply because I wasn't happy with Koyemi. This was, I think, the second time we had to look for her phone in the space of, 1 hour or even half an hour. So I just had enough. But I was just saying to God, Holy Spirit, help me. Holy Spirit, activate. We went back to security and someone had handed the phone over to them. Thank God we got the phone and we were happy again. So this is us going back now. Let us get back into it. You are the reason why I make it through. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Hey, you are the only one. We are not late. We're on time. We have about 10 minutes left to do this. 10 minutes to get to the gates. But we still want to get food and get water. Okay? Alright, Nu, over there.
Yeah, let's check when our gate is.
Okay, let's check the board now.
Hey, you are the only one, yeah, that is true. I can't live without you, breathe. Oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there.
We literally made it with 2 minutes.
1 minute and a half.
1 minute. 1 minute to the time. This Ope, the wife I married is such a last minute woman.
No, not
Such a
even.
last minute woman.
Next time I'll be teaching you how to pack.
No, it wasn't
Yes.
the packing. It wasn't when we wait
Mickey,
for Daddy.
next time you
When we don't
do
wait
the
for
packing
Daddy.
and you do everything for us, okay?
You are my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. Hey, you know I dream about you night and day. I can't live without you, breathe without
We're in our taxi or rental car now, okay? And as you can see, we are glowing. See that sun? Just look at that filter, natural filter.
Mariah is happy.
It's like a tropical country.
You happy?
This is so much fun, guys. I thought we was in Australia.
You thought we were in Australia? Why?
Australia is very hot, and you can see that it's the Arctic and it's still in Europe.
Oh, that's true.
I don't think it can be near them because
Mickey's doing her own vlog.
Mickey's doing her own vlog, and we're doing the real vlog here. I think it was really good. Even this car had the car seats already, everything well organized, well arranged. So we're very happy so far, and obviously thanks to Ayope for booking it all. Everything's sorted. I didn't even know that we require a 7-seater. Obviously we're in a 7-seater. Shows that the family is big. All right, well yeah, I'm really loving this song, man. I'm so happy about this.
You night and day. Hey, even if you are 100 miles away. Oh, I believe in you and me together.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. Okay. Mickey is trying to do her own vlog. Mickey needs her own channel. Okay, so we're here now, but apparently we're too early. Okay, so we're gonna have to kill time for about an hour for our rooms to be ready, but we've checked in and all that, and we've dropped our bags, but we're just gonna wander around and then get some lunch. Everybody excited?
we are just going to look around the hotel.
This place is actually beautiful. The weather is amazing.
Oh, that feels so nice.
The weather is awesome. Like, it's actually too sorry, it's 23 degrees.
And it's got a nice amount of breeze.
You know, a nice pool. So that's the pool down there. I don't know if you can see it.
This is massive.
Where's the pool?
That's the pool down there. Family of 5, we are away for the first time. We did it, guys. We should be proud of ourselves. Everybody say thank you to mommy.
Thank you, mommy, and thank you, Michaela, for all her support and advice.
What support, Mickey? Your mommy has done well for us. You've done so much for me.
And in the process, I've lost my voice.
I don't know how you lost your voice. So, come on, how did you lose your voice?
I think it's because lack of sleep and being, I think, a bit overwhelmed, stressed.
How can lack of sleep? Since when did lack of sleep take away your voice?
Baby, I'm not 25.
You need to pray. Maybe this is spiritual. We need to pray about it. Any power that wants to silence your voice, die by fire.
Amen. That's